Do you want to know?
Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Cooking with Lily. All right, today we're gonna do one of my favorites. All right, we're gonna do fish tacos. Super easy recipe to make. You can use any type of fish. You can use red snapper, any white fish, catfish. So it's really up to your preference. So first thing, we're gonna go ahead and look into our ingredients over here. So we have 2 fillets of fish. Like I said, just use whatever fish you wanna use. Obviously, salt and pepper for our seasoning. A few limes, cilantro, some cabbage, and red onions. And we've already made some green salsa over here. Now we have the link on the green salsa up there, so you'll have the link to that. You'll need some olive oil for the seasoning. So the first step here is we're gonna go ahead and season our fish, okay? So usually I just add a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. And we're gonna season both sides. So what I like to do is I want to go ahead and move them over to a bowl. And we're going to add just a little bit of olive oil. Just so it sticks in there. All the seasoning gets stuck in there. It gets seasoned very well. We want this seasoned really good. So we want to add a generous amount of salt and a generous amount of pepper. And just make sure it gets rubbed in nice and good. We want to make sure we rub that oil in. Now we already got a pan kind of preheated already. So we're gonna go ahead and come over here and set our fishes down. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and add a clove of garlic just to give it a little bit more flavor. And now we're gonna go ahead and just add our fish in there. Make sure this cooks in nice and thorough. And we're just gonna let that sit there for a little bit, let it cook on both sides, and we'll check it back with it in just a second. We got our fish cooked over here. Now I already got my tortillas prepped over here. I warmed them up already. I put a little bit of oil on them, makes them a little bit crispier, adds a little bit more seasoning to it. What I like to do, this is just my preference, I always like to add a little piece of cheese at the bottom when I'm cooking those tortillas. So that could be something you could do, or you could do any type of cheese if you want cheese. If you're not a big fan of cheese, don't add cheese. So we're gonna go ahead and let's start building our tacos. So we're gonna go ahead and cut our pieces and start adding our fish. Now look at, just let's start looking at that. You just add a little bit of cilantro to this, some cabbage, okay, and some onions, okay. We're gonna add a little bit, look at that, a little bit of green salsa on these. We add a little piece of lime to that. And we'll start building the rest and I'll show you the final product, all right? Final product right here, we got everything set up. Now, you can do some salsa, no salsa, just give me a little quick look at it. Another thing you can do, lime juice, add a little bit of lime juice, a little bit of extra salt if you need it. But other than that, it's a quick, easy recipe to do, very fresh, very easy, super delicious, and who doesn't love tacos, right? Look at our link if you want some of our sauces on there. We have plenty of sauces to do. But other than that, guys, we'll see you guys on the next one. It's another episode of Cooking with Lily, all right? Bye.